The world doesn't need another soft, indecisive, approval-seeking man. What it needs, what it rewards, is a man who refuses to apologize for being strong. Let's get one thing straight. Alpha isn't a title, it's a standard. It's the unshakable discipline to do what's right, not what's easy. The relentless drive to build, conquer, and lead. The ironclad refusal to tolerate weakness, especially in yourself. This isn't about being the loudest in the room. It's about being the most dangerous, the most capable, the man other men respect and women can't ignore. Here are the 6 non-negotiables that separate real alphas from the boys playing dress-up. First, own your outcome, no excuses ever. Weak men blame the economy, their upbringing, bad luck. Alphas own everything, their wins, their losses, their future. So write down 3 areas where you've been making excuses. Now burn the list and replace each with one immediate action. And remember this mantra, if it's to be, it's up to me. Demand excellence, especially from yourself. Most men, well, they just coast. They show up at 70% and then wonder why they only get 70% results. An alpha's minimum is another man's maximum. So audit your life, fitness, finances, relationships, all of it. Where are you accepting mediocrity? Remember, good enough is the enemy of greatness. Control your emotions. Don't let them control you. Anger, fear, insecurity, an alpha feels them, then crushes them underfoot. Emotional control isn't about suppression, it's about strategic dominance. Next time you're triggered, just pause. Take a breath. Respond with precision, not impulse. The mantra here is, I rule my emotions or they rule me. Build your tribe or get pulled down by the weak. You are the average of the 5 men you spend the most time with. Choose poorly, and they'll drown you in their mediocrity. Cut ties with energy vampires and seek out men who challenge you. Just remember, iron sharpens iron. Embrace the grind or get left behind. Comfort is the alpha's kryptonite. Pain, discomfort, that's his proving ground. So, yeah, do one thing every single day that terrifies you. Cold shower, difficult conversation, heavy lift. Remember the mantra, if it doesn't challenge you, it doesn't change you. Lead or get out of the way. Alphas don't follow. They create the path in business, in relationships, in life. Here's your action. Take charge in one situation today where you'd normally stay passive. And don't forget, the world belongs to those who take it. This isn't a checklist, it's a war plan. Adopt these non-negotiables and you won't just change your life, you'll change the lives of everyone around you. Ignore them and you'll spend the rest of your days wondering, what if? The choice is yours. If this hit home, prove it. Like, subscribe, then go take what's yours. The pack waits for no one.